But here's a fun fact. Did you know avocados are actually berries? Yes, that's right. Despite their savory taste, they belong to the berry family. Yep, you heard that right. This surprising fact often leaves people amazed and adds to the avocado's charm. These creamy fruits are packed with surprises, like their superpower potassium levels even higher than bananas. This makes them a fantastic choice for maintaining a healthy diet. So get ready to dive into the wonderful world of avocados with me. We'll explore their rich history, nutritional benefits, and culinary versatility. We'll uncover their amazing health benefits, from heart health to skincare, and understand why they are considered a superfood. Whip up some tasty recipes, including classic favorites like guacamole and innovative dishes that will surprise your taste buds, and have a little fun along the way. Cooking with avocados can be a delightful experience, bringing people together and adding joy to your kitchen. Get ready to become an avocado aficionado. Let's get started on this exciting culinary adventure and discover the endless possibilities of this green gem. Okay, let's talk about heart health. We all want a healthy heart, right? Well, avocados are here to help. They're loaded with monounsaturated fats, the good kind of fat that can actually lower bad cholesterol levels. Think of it as avocado giving your heart a big, warm hug. These heart-healthy fats can help reduce the risk of heart disease. And who doesn't want a happy, healthy heart? So next time you're looking for a heart-healthy snack, reach for an avocado. Now let's talk about fiber. We all need fiber for good digestion, and avocados are packed with it. Fiber helps keep things moving smoothly in our digestive system, which is always a good thing. But here's a secret. Fiber also helps us feel full and satisfied after eating. That means fewer cravings and more energy throughout the day. So, add some avocado to your next meal and feel the fiber power. Hold on tight because avocados are bursting with vitamins and minerals. We're talking vitamin C, E, K, and a whole bunch of B vitamins. These nutrients are like avocado's secret weapon, fighting off those nasty free radicals and boosting our immune systems. And let's not forget about potassium. Avocados have even more potassium than bananas, helping our muscles and nerves function properly. It's like a party in your body and everyone's invited. Avocado Adventures in the kitchen, from toast to smoothies. Today, we're diving into the world of avocados, exploring their versatility and how they can transform your meals from simple to extraordinary. Now, for the fun part, using avocados in the kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, avocados can be your best friend. They are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Let's start with the classic avocado toast. This simple yet satisfying dish has taken the culinary world by storm. It's quick, easy, and perfect for any meal of the day. Simply mash some avocado onto your favorite toast, sprinkle with salt and pepper, and voila! You have a nutritious and tasty snack. But why stop there? You can add a fried egg for extra protein or some chili flakes for a kick. The creamy texture of avocado pairs wonderfully with a variety of toppings. But don't stop there. Avocados are incredibly versatile. Toss them into salads for a creamy texture, blend them into smoothies for a nutrient boost, or whip up some delicious guacamole. The possibilities are endless. You can even use avocados in baking to add moisture to your cakes and brownies. So, next time you're in the kitchen, don't just think of avocados as a side dish. Make them the star of your meal and enjoy the endless culinary adventures they offer. Fun with avocados. Did you know? Let's have some fun with avocado trivia. Avocados are not just delicious and nutritious, but they also have a fascinating history and some quirky facts that might surprise you. Did you know the word avocado comes from the Aztec word ahuacatl, which means testicle? It's true. The Aztecs believed that avocados had aphrodisiac qualities, which is why they named it after a part of the male anatomy. And speaking of fun facts, avocados are actually berries. Yes, you heard that right. They belong to the same family as cinnamon and camphor. Did you know you can tell if an avocado is ripe by gently pressing on its skin? If it gives slightly, it's ready to eat. But be careful not to press too hard, as you might bruise the fruit. If it gives slightly, it's ready to eat. And once you cut it open, you can enjoy its creamy texture and rich flavor in a variety of dishes, from salads to smoothies. If you buy unripe avocados, don't worry. There are a few tricks to speed up the ripening process. Just store them at room temperature and they'll ripen in a few days. It's like magic. You can also place them in a paper bag with a banana or an apple to speed up the process, as these fruits release ethylene gas. which helps avocados ripen faster. Did you know that avocados grow on trees and can take up to 18 months to mature? These trees can produce hundreds of avocados each year, making them a valuable crop for farmers. So next time you enjoy your avocado toast or guacamole, remember these fun facts and appreciate the journey of this amazing fruit from tree to table. Avocados truly are a wonder of nature. Join the avocado craze, share your green creations. Now it's your turn. I challenge you to get creative with avocados. Whip up your favorite avocado recipes and share your culinary masterpieces on social media with the hashtag #AvocadoAdventure. Let's inspire each other with our avocado creations. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Avocado, your new kitchen superhero. So there you have it, folks. Avocados are the superheroes of the food world, packed with heart-healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They're versatile, delicious, and fun to eat. Add them to your plate and feel the amazing benefits. Remember, keep calm and avocado on. Remember, life is better with avocados. So go ahead, indulge in this creamy, dreamy fruit and experience the power of the avocado. And if you ever feel down, just remember, keep calm and avocado on. Happy eating, everyone.